it doesn't give a yellow tone, okay, it gives a white tone. So if you know you want to get a white tone, get this and make sure you get the original one. Then if you are just using this, a lot of people too still get it wrong when they are using a whitening supplement and they are not using vitamin C with it. It's not going to work. Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel. It's your girl Extreme Beauty Therapy. If this is your first time on this channel, please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a video. Then I want to say a very big thank you to all my returning subscribers. We sincerely appreciate you guys. Oh, it's a new month already. I want to say happy new month to you guys. Happy new month. So without taking much of your time, let us look at the business of today. It has really been a busy days for me, busy months rather. I've not been here to actually talk to you guys, but just let me take a little time to talk to you. Now I want us to look at the benefits of skin whitening supplements, the rightful way to take it, how you can achieve a very white tone with whitening supplements. If you see the way my skin is, I've actually been on supplements for some time now and it's actually good. It's extremely good. Now a lot of supplements are outside, both the original and both the fake. The way they are even faking this, you won't even know the original from the fake. But just have to be careful. Better still, you get this from us, so to avoid story that touches the heart. So when it comes to whitening supplement, there are some do's and don'ts to it. One, you don't need to take a whitening supplement without detoxification. Yes, I said it. If you are taking a whitening supplement without detoxification, it's not going to work out. It's not going to work. It's not going to give you the shade you have been looking for. So try to use a supplement, then detoxify before you even start using it. In that way, you are going to see this supplement works perfectly. Don't just waste your money to get a supplement and at the end of the day you just said it's not working. It's not that it's not working, it's working, but you don't know the rightful way to use it. These supplements I'm going to review, there are do's and don'ts to it. One, you need to detoxify before you start to use it. Get a green tea, get a lemon, get a lime, you just boil it. You take it for 5 nights, yes, 5 nights before you start using these supplements. It's going to help to cleanse your system. It's going to help to remove all the impurities, all the toxic from your system. It's going to help refresh your system, set your system for your system to accept this new product we are going to introduce to the system. If you don't do that, if you don't detoxify, sorry, it's not going to work. And if you have been using it, you are not seeing the result, then it's like you are doing something wrong. Another do's and don'ts to this supplement is, please don't use it with any strong whitening cream. It's not going to work. If you are using it with a strong whitening cream, you are not going to see any effects. You just need a moisturizer, just a moisturizer to go alongside with this supplement, and you know, you are going to love your skin. You are going to achieve that skin tone you've been dreaming of. Don't use it with a strong whitening cream. Don't use it with a strong soap. Just use it with a normal moisturizer, so that you are going to see the work of this supplements rather. So all the supplements I'm talking about is Jaw White. This is Jaw White Hair Crystal Skin. This supplement whiten the skins a lot. It's small but mighty. It's not much inside, but if you are looking for quality, please go for this. If you are not looking for quantity, because I understand a lot of people, they are looking for quantity, but if you know you are not looking for quantity, you are looking for quality, this is what you go for. It's not much. It only has 20 capsules in it. It only has 20 capsules in it, and you are not to take it every day. You have to take it once in 2 days. You are not taking it alone. you are going to take it with vitamin C. There are a lot of vitamin C out there. There are pharmaceutical vitamin C and there are skin whitening vitamin C. So you are going to use it with your skin whitening vitamin C. This is the one I use alongside that just give me this whitening shades. This is the vitamin C I'm using. Why I prefer to use this vitamin C? This vitamin C, it's very nice. It's very good. It brings youthfulness. It clears freckles. It clears pigmentation, and it contains zinc. This is vitamin C with zinc. This is 1000 milligram, and this contains 30 tablets. So what you do, you take this every 2 days, and you take this once daily. You will love your skin. Apart from the whitening benefits of this jaw whites, it also helps boost skin elasticity. It creates puffiness and youthful skin. It reduces fine lines and wrinkles. It lightens pigmentation, keeps skin hydrated, even out skin tone. I don't know how I'm going to explain this for you people to understand. As in, when I mean that this supplement is good, it's extremely good. Don't use it with any whitening cream. Don't use it, even if you want to use it with it should not be a strong whitening cream. You are just good to go with maybe a normal body milk, normal glowing oil. Don't use with any whitening, any other thing that is very strong. If you do that, maybe you just want to like, they say this is whitening, so let me get this other whitening cream so that it will work alongside. You say no, it's not going to work. So just use this with some moisturizer. But you know, when you are taking this, for those of you that you don't take much water, you have to be taking a lot of water, because it goes with it. It goes alongside. That's why I said there are do's and don'ts to skin supplements. Now the vitamin C, you are not to use the pharmaceutical one. You are going to use the whitening one. Then you are going to take a lot of water. You are going to take a lot of water. If you don't take a lot of water, you are not going to the results I am telling you about. So guys, please try and get this from the original source. Try to follow all the routine for you to get this, for you to see the results I am talking about. So if you get it from the good source, you are going to see the result. This is made from Thailand. This is from Thailand, okay? So take this, take a lot of water, detoxify minimum 5 days before you start taking. Even after this, always detoxify, because detoxification is very good on the skin. Anything that is going on inside you will always appear on your skin. Like a lot of people, they are just after cream. I always say this, not all skin you see out there is all about cream. What you take matters. Do more of fruits, do more of vegetable, eat properly, sleep well. Then in that way, your product is going to work. Anything you are using is going to work. But if you don't eat well, you don't follow some good routine that you're supposed to follow, you are not going to achieve what you're supposed to achieve. You might just be changing from one brand to the other. You think that it's not working, my friend is working on my friend is not, but you don't know that you are not following some good routine that you're supposed to follow. So guys, that is all I have for you guys today. So please just stay tuned. Stay tuned. And if there is any other thing you want me to review, any other thing you want me to make on this channel, please, you can drop it at the description. You can drop it at the description side. I'm going to still drop my number. My social media handle is going to be there. So you can, if you have any inquiries, any complaints, don't forget to WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp number is quite different from our call number, but you know, I always drop my WhatsApp number. So guys, that is all we have for today. Thanks for your time. If you know you like this video, you love this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up to this video. Subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I have a video. So that's all. Bye and have a nice day. Love you guys.